The ovary is located at the top of the pistil. Is that true? That's correct. What are the number of PN junctions in the fista? Bishop is here. 2. 2 is correct.
Your total is 39 points. The instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Barometer.
Barometer. That is right. Thank you.
Good afternoon to my audience seated therein and online. You are warmly welcome to our third contest in the JSMQ National Competition. And I must say, you need to stay glued and well-tuned for this contest. Before we set off, like I always do, I would want to acknowledge the continual support of our dynamic VC, Professor Mrs. Rita Akusia-Dixon, for her support ever since the inception of this program. We cannot do this without acknowledging our partners and our sponsors. This quiz is organized by the Premier College, the College of Science at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service, Dext Technologies, and Eridec Ghana Limited. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2023 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST e-Learning. For all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. Your venues provided are well appreciated. Dext Technologies. At Dext Technologies, we say, practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality. And you always make it very exciting and hands-on. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, a heartfelt thank you for all your prizes this year. Your generous contributions have been a cornerstone of our success. At Multi-Credit, where customer satisfaction is our priority, your commitment shines through in every aspect of your service. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, thanks for the wonderful meal packages. Your dedication to providing delightful culinary experience is evident. At Pizza Man, Chicken Man, where great food lives, every bite tells a story of quality and excellence. Fonjo Images, thank you for providing beautifully captured and well-framed photographs of our top 3 contestants. At Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. To our media partners, Kesben TV, thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality has significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. I would want to also take this opportunity to say well done to all the heads of the various schools and your very dedicated teachers who have spent enormous time in preparing all contestants in this program for every contest that has happened and is yet to happen. Our precious students, proudly representing your schools. You have come this far by burning the midnight oil and getting your acts right. All our supporters, a thunderous round of applause for all the contestants and yourself. Make it louder. Thank you. I cannot but help say to the chairman, Professor Kwesi Preku and his JSMQ board, we say Ayiko to how far you have steered affairs. My name is Reverend Mrs. Lorraine Salah, and as you were told, I love to swim and dance. After the contest, we would have some dance moves right here. Any challenger? All right. Okay. So you need to remember that the JSMQ program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles that underline the life and physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork, critical thinking, right from the early stages in their lives. I am sure all the contesting schools have prepared well, are poised, and are looking forward to an exciting quiz. So competing in this contest, we have BELHAVEN Montessori School. We have New World School and Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Welcome, my contesting schools. I would want you to introduce yourselves. Kindly be audible. When you introduce yourself, you tell me your favorite color and what you like to do. BELHAVEN.
My name is Jeffrey Forson. If Nana Kweku Forson. Color is red. I like to read.
Great. Jeffrey likes to read.
My name is Isa Aziza Katari, and I like to sing.
Aziza loves to sing. New World School.
My name is Ivan Manesian, and I like making research. Favorite color
You need
is.
to be a bit audible.
My name is Ivan Manesian. I like making research, and my favorite color is green.
You love green.
Yes.
Caleb Jenfio Usuboating. My favorite color is blue, and I also like to read.
Caleb likes to read. His favorite color is blue. Star Holy Academy. Kingdom Academy.
My name is Bertram Braveman Soa. My favorite color is black.
Wow.
Yeah. And I love to draw.
You love to draw. I also love to draw.
I'm Eric Ofue, and my favorite color is white, and I like programming.
Eric likes programming. Contestants, you are all welcome. Can you please put on your microphones? Make sure your microphones are on, and kindly do not turn them off till the end of the contest. Keep them on. Contestants, you have buzzers in front of you, and I would need you to test your buzzers. So can we hear the sound from the buzzer for BELHAVEN Montessori School? Thank you. New World School. Thank you. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. So after all our introductions and testing our buzzers to know how they sound out, I would want to tell you that there would be 5 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is the fundamentals. Round 2 is the fastest finger. Round 3 is the science and technology challenge. Round 4 is decoding the clues, DTC. And round 5 is the Global Nobel Prize Awards. I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of every round. Are we ready to start our contest? BELHAVEN, ready? New World, ready? Star Holy Kingdom, ready?
Yes.
All right, I'm also ever ready. Round 1, which is the fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. But take note, the score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 50 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for only by ringing your buzzer. Only by ringing your buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question will nullify your answer, whether you get it right or you get it wrong. Thus, no point is scored, even if you were right. Best wishes to all competing schools. Good luck. Question 1. I have a preamble to all schools, and you take 15 seconds to answer question 1. The preamble reads, state the gestation period for the following farm animals. State the gestation period for the following farm animals. BELHAVEN Montessori School, pigs.
$360 days.
Okay. You were not too audible enough. I'll give you the opportunity to be audible.
360 days to 420 days.
That is incorrect. Kingdom?
2 months.
Incorrect. Time up. So the gestational period for pigs is 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, or 115 days. New Welsh School. Horse. Horse. Go ahead.
6 months.
Incorrect. You've been bailed out. Star Holy Academy.
4 months.
That is also incorrect. The question has been timed out. The answer is 10 to 11 months. So approximately 310 days thereabouts. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Cattle. Cattle.
4 months.
Incorrect. Okay.
90 days.
Belhaven.
90 days.
Belhaven. You need to give them the opportunity to have their 2 attempts before you sound your bell. Okay? But nevertheless, it's incorrect. So it still goes out as a bonus. Time up. The gestational period for cattle is 283 days or 9 months. Question 2. The preamble to this question to all schools is: complete and balance the following chemical equations. This takes 50 seconds. Complete and balance the following chemical equations. New Welsh School. Ca into brackets OH subscript 2 plus H3PO4. Ivan?
3Ca, open bracket, OH, close bracket subscript 2 plus 2H3PO4 going into Ca3, open bracket, PO4, subscript 2 plus 6H2.
Ivan, that is correct. So you have 3 moles of calcium hydroxide, 3 moles of calcium hydroxide plus 2 moles of phosphoric acid going into calcium phosphate and 6 moles of water. That is correct for your 4 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. The breakdown of NaHCO3.
To have Na
HCO3 produces Na plus H2O plus CO subscript 2.
That's incorrect. You have another try.
We have 2Na HCO subscript 3 produces 2Na plus H2O plus CO subscript 2.
Incorrect. Goes out for a bonus. Ivan?
NaHCO3 going into 2Na plus 2CO2 plus H2O.
Ivan, you are not very audible. I would give you the opportunity to repeat what you said, exactly what you said. The next time, that will not happen.
2NaHCO3 going into 2Na plus 2CO2 plus H2O.
That is incorrect. So, Belhaven. Time out. So with a breakdown of sodium bicarbonate, you break it down and you balance it, you get 6 moles of sodium bicarbonate, 3 moles of sodium carbonate, plus 3 moles of carbon dioxide, and 3 moles of water. Okay? Sodium bicarbonate breaks down thermally at a temperature of between 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. Belhaven Montessori School, your question. C4H10 plus oxygen, 0 O subscript 2. Belhaven.
1 molecule of C4H10 plus 2 molecules of oxygen to give 4 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 5 molecules of water.
Incorrect. All right. So New World School.
C4H10 plus 13O2, giving you 10H2O plus 8CO2.
That is incorrect. You just missed. It's 2CH4. It still goes out for a bonus. I nearly read the answer out. A bonus. Time up. So I still get to read my answer. It's 2C4H10 plus 13O2 subscript 2 into 8CO2 plus 10H2O, not 10CO2 as you said. It is 8. Or C4H10 plus 13 over 2 O2 into 4CO2 plus 5H2O. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, your question. A solid rectangular block with weight 200 Newton and dimensions length L is equal to 0.5 meters, breadth B is equal to X meters, and height H is equal to 0.1 meters. If the volume is 250 centimeters cubed, calculate the pressure exerted on the floor by the side with dimensions 0.5 meters by X meters. Yes?
100 Pascal.
Incorrect.
$800 Pascal.
Incorrect. Goes out for a bonus. New World School. Ivan?
1,000 Pascal.
Ivan, that is incorrect. Belhaven?
0.8 Pascal.
That is also incorrect. I would give you the correct answer after the set of these questions. Belhaven Montessori School. A solid rectangle block with weight 300 Newton and dimensions length L is 0.6 meters. Breadth B is X meters. And height H is 0.2 meters. Has a volume of 400 centimeters cubed. Calculates the pressure exerted on the floor by the side with the dimensions 0.6 meters by X meters.
We have 700.
Belhaven, you've been timed out. So Star Holy Academy.
100 Pascal.
Come again?
100 Pascal.
That is incorrect. Goes out for a bonus. New World School.
15,000 Pascal.
That is also incorrect. New World Academy, your question. A solid rectangular block with weights 150 Newton and dimensions length L is 0.4 meters. Breadth B is x meters. And height h is 0.15 meters. Occupies a volume of 180 centimeter cubed. Calculate the pressure exerted on the floor by the side with dimensions 0.4 meters by x meters. BELHAVEN Montessori School.
Cow.
That is incorrect. Star Holy. Time up. So the answer to the third question is 125 kilonewtons per meter square or 125 kilopascal. You look at the three questions that we've tried to solve, you realize that the volume is in centimeters. You first need to convert it to meters, and then you've been given x. So you have the formula for the volume. You find x before you find the pressure, which is the force over the area. Okay, from the volume, you can calculate the area, all right? And that is why I think some of you were, in fact, all of you got it wrong, okay? All right. We move on to question 4, which has a preamble to all schools. Projected on the screen is a diagram. You need to name the parts labeled and state the functions. So you name the parts and you state the function. Okay? It's 2 answers in 1 question. BELHAVEN Montessori School. Label U.
It is the peripheral component interconnect, and it is used to connect peripheral devices to the central processing unit.
That is correct. Newell School. Label Y. You've been timed out. It goes out for a bonus. Timed out. So the label Y is the power connector, and it supplies power to the CPU and some other board devices of the computer. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Label V. You've been timed out. Bonus. BELHAVEN Montessori.
That is the North Bridge with the heat sink, and it is used to, the North Bridge is used to carry, control all the high power activities in the computer, and the heat sink is used to absorb the heat from the computer and cool it down.
Okay, I allow you to complete because you started answering before you were timed out, but your answer is incorrect, so it goes out for a bonus. New World School.
That's the heat sink, and it dissipates heat to cool down the computer.
Say that again.
It's the heat sink, and it dissipates heat to cool down the computer system.
That is incorrect. Bonus. Okay, all right. So label V is the CPU socket. And it's a specific socket that connects the points between the CPU and the motherboard. Okay? All right. Question 5 is for 50 seconds. Question 5 is for 50 seconds. The preamble reads, for the following set of transformations, we are actually only interested in the final answer. Don't work us through it. Just give us the final answer. So for the following set of transformations, New World School, a line WZ has coordinates W02 and Z3 -1. If the line undergoes a sequence of transformations, first, a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin, and finally, a translation of -3, 4. What are the final coordinates of the vertices? Ivan?
07. 07.
Incorrect. Ivan?
Neg 27.
That is incorrect. Goes out for a bonus. Star Holy?
(0, -1).
Incorrect. Belhaven?
The final points are -5, 4, and -2, 7.
That is correct for a bonus. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. A triangle UVW has vertices U2, 3, V6, 3, and W7, 2. If the triangle undergoes a sequence of transformations, first, a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise about the origin, and finally, a translation of -2, 5. What are the final coordinates of the vertices? Star Holly?
So our final answer, we were having -8, 7, -8, -8, 11, and -7, 12.
Incorrect. New World School. Ivan?
The final points for U will be 1, 3, V will be 1, -1, and W will be 0, -2.
That is correct for a bonus. When you are trying to answer a bonus, because the time is very short, be quick with your answer. Just be audible, okay? All right. That is why I allowed you to continue, because you started before you were bailed out. BELHAVEN Montessori School, your question. A pentagon, LMNOP, has vertices L, 3, 1, M, 6, 4, N, 8, 2, O, 7, -1, and P, 4, -2. If the pentagon undergoes a sequence of transformations, first, a rotation of 270 degrees counterclockwise about the origin, followed by a reflection across the y-axis. What are the final coordinates of the vertices?
Y-axis, right? So L is -1, -3. M is -4, -6. N is -2, -8. O is 1, -7, and P is 2, -4.
That is correct for your question. The next set of questions, have a preamble. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. And true or false questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. The adult housefly emerges from the pupa with fully developed wings and is ready to fly.
False.
The answer is correct. It is false. BELHAVEN Montessori School. Pupation is the stage in the housefly life cycle where the larva transforms into an adult fly.
False.
That is correct. It's false. Pupation is larva to pupa, not larva to adult stage. New World School. Houseflies undergo complete metamorphosis, meaning they have distinct larval and pupal stages. Yes?
True.
That is incorrect. The answer is false. To our next set of questions, question 7, BELHAVEN Montessori School. Atmospheric pressure decreases with increasing altitude, which is why it becomes easier to breathe at high elevations.
False.
That is correct. The answer is false. New World School. A person standing on a sharp nail experiences higher pressure compared to standing on a larger area. A larger area such as a cushioned surface. Ivan?
True.
The answer is true. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. The pressure at the bottom of a column of liquid is greater than the pressure at the top. And this pressure is responsible for the rise of liquid in a capillary tube.
True.
The answer is false. We have come to the end of round 1. And the scores...
The number you called has not answered.
I don't go. Charlie, you know the way to go pick way. Oh.
The number you called has not answered.
Why you dey pick my call?
Later.
Hey, Bana, Charlie, what's up? See, from the time we from Jane camp, I order two. I wear side.
How is that possible?
Charlie, I don't want.
Charlie, it rain safe.
Charlie, don't have vex. I don't call the guys say no they pick.
I ordered pizza from your people yesterday. I told them I didn't want pork. And they added pork to my pizza.
Prepare, no discount at all. Not even 5% discount. What's up?
I'll go feel whether you like 1 hour days. That you never the count.
Where you get the number from?
Oh, Charlie, it is some 054 number. I think I'm for Google.
Oh, Charlie, you make them scam me. This one here, them scam me.
This and many more are the reasons I want to introduce to you a solution, an app for all your Pizza Man Chicken Man needs. We build this with you in mind. Order your food, track your order in real time, secure payment method, and instant point on every purchase that you make. In fact, you can accumulate this points and use it as discount for your subsequent orders. And trust me, all the orders that you make, we take into detail all your allergies so that you didn't have any complication with your product. Now, pick your phones. Open either App Store or Play Store. Search Chris B. Download it.
The ovary is located at the top of the pistil. Is that true? That's correct. What are the number of PN junctions in the vista? Bishop is here. 2. 2 is correct.
Our audience in the house and online, we welcome you back. We still continue to say stay glued to your seats and your viewing devices as we continue with the next round of questions. But before then, we would want to acknowledge our partners and our sponsors. We acknowledge our partners, College of Science, KNUST, Ghana Education Service, Dext Technologies, and Eridec Ghana Limited. Kesben TV, our media partners, we are grateful for your presence on board. We also appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for supporting us in diverse ways. KNUST e-Learning, KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, Dext Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, and Fonjo Images. Before round 2 starts, we would want to announce the scores. There's been a correction of a bonus that was gotten right for question 2 with a methane question. And so the bonus has been awarded and has been added to the scores as I am about to read.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6, a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest. And I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6, a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science Set has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest. And I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6, a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science Set has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest. And I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and
ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
as a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
So at the end of round one, we have our scores reading us. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 3. New World School, 8. BELHAVEN Montessori School, 13 points. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. Before I read the regulations or the rules to round 2, I would want you to sound out your buzzers one more time. BELHAVEN Montessori School. New World School. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. BELHAVEN Montessori. Can we try one more time? Yes, I can.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science Sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science Sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
back. Before we start round 2, which is the fastest brain, the fastest finger, I would want us once again to sound our buzzers out. BELHAVEN Montessori School. New Welch School. Star Holy Kingdom. BELHAVEN, try one more time.
I don't want to go. Charlie, you know the way to go pick way. Oh.
The number you
Why you they pick my call? Charlie, what's up? See, from the time we from Jane come, I order two. And where side? How is that possible? Charlie, I don't want. Charlie, they rain safe. Charlie, don't have vex. I don't call the guys say no they pick.
I ordered pizza from your people yesterday. I told them I didn't want pork. And they added pork to my pizza.
Yeah, no discount at all. Not even 5% discount.
Actually,
What's up?
I'll go feel whether you like 1 hour days. The two never they come.
Where you get the number from?
Charlie, it's some 054 number. I think I'm for Google.
Oh, Charlie, you make them scam me. This one here, them scam me.
This and many more are the reasons I want to introduce to you a solution, an app for all your Pizza Man Chicken Man needs. We build this with you in mind. Order your food, track your order in real time, secure payment method, and instant point on every purchase that you make. In fact, you can accumulate these points and use it as discount for your subsequent orders. And trust me, all the orders that you make, we take into detail all your allergies so that you didn't have any complication with your product. Now, pick your phones. Open either App Store or Play Store. Search Chris B. Download it. I can't wait to serve you through your phones. Anytime, anywhere.
The number you called has not answered.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out.
Longest round one I've ever had to moderate. So before we start off with round two, which is the fastest brain and the fastest finger, BELHAVEN, can you sound out your buzzer? Good. New World School. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. BELHAVEN, one more time. Okay, all right. So round two is the fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, kindly press the buzzer before you attempt to answer. Kindly press the buzzer before you attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants must answer in 3 seconds. 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer the question unless otherwise stated. Listen to this one. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to all schools. What is the relationship between 1 day on Mercury and 1 year on Mercury? BELHAVEN.
One day on Mercury is equal to 1 out of 88 years.
Incorrect. Bonus. Time up. The answer is 1 Mercury day is equal to 2 Mercury years. Dash encompasses a broader category of harmful software, including New World School, malware. That is correct. Pens are able to draw ink onto a paper from their reservoir by dash. BELHAVEN.
Capillary action.
That is correct. gas binds more readily to hemoglobin than oxygen? New World School.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon monoxide.
We pressed before them, and they said carbon dioxide. The answer is carbon monoxide. Not allowed this. Just mention the answer. The way I wanted to answer it. Carbon monoxide. I even have it in my notes.
Can we try out the buzzers one more time? BELHAVEN. New World School. Star Holy Kingdom. So all the buzzers are working right. We continue with round 2. Which gas binds? Okay, we've already handled that. What does the keyboard shortcuts Control plus Shift plus At do in Microsoft Excel? Star Holly?
It's input 2.
You've been timed out. A bonus? Time up. The answer is apply time format. When testing for reducing sugars in a food substance using Felling's solution, the expected color change is, Star Holly?
Brick red.
Brick red.
Or orange.
Or orange red. Okay, correct. BELHAVEN, did you just press your buzzer? Please do not press it unnecessarily. Okay, thank you. What is the physics principle behind the operation of transformer? Star Holly? New World? New World?
Electromagnetic inductance.
Incorrect. BELHAVEN?
The transformer
Bell, time out.
works on the principle that
Time out. The answer is Faraday's law of mutual induction, or the Faraday's law. Amma invests 5,000 Ghana cedis in a savings account with a compound interest rate of 10% compounded biannually. Calculate the interest earned after 1 year and determine, Star Holly?
The interest earned will be 500 Ghana cedis.
Come again?
The interest earned will be 500 Ghana cedis.
Incorrect. BELHAVEN.
so the interest earned will be 312 Ghana cedis, 50 pesos.
Incorrect. Time up, but I didn't finish the question, so I will complete it and tell you the answers. I'll finish the question, and we still have a bonus going out for New World. Calculate the interest earned after 1 year and determine the total amount in the savings account after the same period. New World. Go on.
5,500.
Say that again.
5,500 cedis.
And interest?
And the interest is 500 cedis.
That is incorrect. So the total amount is 5,512.5, giving an interest of 512.5 Ghana cedis. We come to the end of round 2. The scores will be brought to you.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at
Our audience watching and our audience in-house, welcome back after the round 2. We would want to acknowledge all our sponsors, KNUST e-learning, KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, Dex Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, and Fonjo Images. So at the end of round 2, BELHAVEN Montessori School, you have 1 point. New World School, you have 6 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, you have 1 point. Moving on to round 3, which is our Science and Technology Challenge. In this round, you do not need to sound the buzzer, which I'm very happy about. It is the Science and Technology Challenge. The preamble reads, 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 points to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by the Dex Science sets. So for your items provided, you have been provided with 500 ml plastic bottle and an assortment of materials. The items provided should include sand, iron filings, water, which I suppose is in the 500 plastic ml bottle, stones, Gary, filter paper, a magnet, and some cotton. Go through the items and make sure you have every item as listed. Kindly let us know on time if you are missing an item. Okay, so the task itself is to form 2 types of mixture. Form 2 types of mixture. Use a known method to separate the components of your mixture. That is the hands-on task. Okay, so I'll come round and check that. How you separate your mixture. Related to the task are some questions, but the successful completion of the task is 8 marks. So 4 for each of the tasks carried. The related questions: 1. What method of separation of mixture was applied to separate the mixture? You carried out a task of separation. Now you need to write down the method of separation. You get both right, you have 3 marks. The second task question is, name 2 other kinds of mixtures. And that also carries 4 marks, so 2 marks for each other type of mixture you can name. So round 3 carries 15 points. If you have verified all your items, your science and technology challenge may start.
ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
back. We have successfully completed our tasks in our technology challenge round, which is the round 3 of our contest. And contestants were provided with some items: 500 ml bottle and an assortment of materials, such as stones, iron filings, and as was listed and you saw on the screen. So the task was to form 2 types of mixtures and also separate the mixtures that they had formed for me to observe. So the observation of the task included forming the mixture and separating the mixture, which I successfully went round and observed. And they had related questions to the task that they performed. They were supposed to tell us the method of separation that they used in the mixtures that they formed. And the second question related to the task was to name 2 other kinds of mixtures. So I'll start with BELHAVEN Montessori School. So BELHAVEN Montessori School completed the task very well. They formed a mixture. The first mixture they formed was one of sand and water. That makes it a solid liquid mixture. The second mixture was of stones, gari, and iron filings. And that was a solid mixture, which they separated successfully. With a mixture of sand and water, they separated these 2 components by filtration, using the filter paper and the cotton that had been provided, which I saw. And then, for the separation of the solid mixture, they hand-picked to separate the stones from the gari and the iron filings. And by magnetization, they separated the iron filings from the gari and the stones. So from the task, they got their 8 full marks. And with the questions related to the task, they were supposed to tell us the method of separation, which they actually even indicated, whilst they were answering the task, which was an observation. So filtration to separate sand from water, hand-picking to separate stones from gari, and magnetization to separate filings from gari and stones. So they got their 3 full points for the first related question. And they were to name 2 other kinds of mixtures. This question is actually very tricky. You're supposed to actually name the type of mixtures by the type of the mixture and not the components that make up the mixture. So they said gas and gas mixture, which is correct. Gas and solid mixture. These were mixtures that they did not perform. So these are 2 other mixtures. So they got the 4 full points, earning them the 15 full points for the technology challenge. New World School was also able to perform the tasks beautifully. They formed a mixture of sand and iron filings and a mixture of gravel and gari. And for the mixture of gravels and gari, they separated it by hand picking the gravels out of the gari. And then for the mixture of sand and iron filings, they use the magnets to separate the iron filings from the sand by placing the magnets, mixing it through to attract the iron filings. So they actually also separated both mixtures successfully, and so they get the full 8 points for the carrying out of the task. With the related questions, they stated handpicking as a method for separating the gravels and the gari, and separation by the use of a magnet for the sand and the iron filings. So they got the 3 marks fully for the first question. But for the second question, instead of actually telling us the type of mixture that they didn't perform, they rather told us the components of the mixture. So they stated a mixture of gari and water, a mixture of soil and water. So they did not get any points for the second question. And that makes their total 11 out of 15 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, your task was carried out very well. In the beginning, you had a few challenges, but then I saw you had overcome the challenge. That is how come I got up to come and check one more time to see for myself. So you had a solid mixture and a solid liquid mixture. The solid was with the stones and the gari, and then the solid liquid was with the water and sand. And with the water and sand, you separated by filtration, and the gravels and the iron filings, you separated by magnetization. So you get the 8 points there too. So you stated filtration and separation by using a magnet. So you still get the 4 points for your first related question. In naming 2 other kinds of mixtures, you stated solid gas mixture and liquid mixture, which is 2 of the mixtures that you did not perform. So you also get 15 full points for your technology challenge. So in summarizing the results for round 3, BELHAVEN Montessori School, 15 points. New World School, 11 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 15 points. Well done. Congratulations to you all on this round. That was a very good effort shown. And it tells us that whatever your teachers teach you as learners, you really get to understand what you're being taught. Well done. So before I move on to the next round, I would want to have a little clarification, and with the fastest finger round. With one of the questions that had the answer to be carbon monoxide, New World School answered as carbon dioxide, which was my mistake. I actually heard carbon monoxide, and I apologize for that. But New World, kindly, when you are speaking for the couple of rounds coming in, please be very audible to avoid such instances. So we have an extra question coming in, and that extra question will go for BELHAVEN Montessori School and Star Holy Kingdom Academy. New World cannot answer that question because we've seen that when they answered carbon dioxide, it was a wrong answer. So they miss their chance of answering the extra question that has come in. So you still answer by sounding out your buzzer. Before I read out the extra question to rectify what happened, BELHAVEN, sound out your buzzer. Thank you. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Thank you. So the question, which abdominal organ is an accessory organ to the circulatory system and is responsible for detoxification and Star Holy Academy?
The liver.
The liver. That is correct for that. So with the rectification of round 2, the scores would be adjusted, and when they are ready, I would go through the particular round scores once again. Okay, so the corrected scores have come in. So I will take the scores for round 2 once more. BELHAVEN Montessori School, you have 1 point at the end of round 2. New World School, you have 1 point at the end of round 2. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, you have 5 points. Before the start of round 4, we would want to acknowledge our partners and sponsors one more time. So we acknowledge the College of Science, KNUST, Ghana Education Service, Dext Technologies, and Eridec Ghana as partners. And for our media coverage, we have Kesben TV as partners as well. KNUST e-learning, KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, Dext Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images. We appreciate and acknowledge you for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We truly are grateful to you. Thank you very much. Round 4. I would read out the rules of this round to you, and after I read out the rules of this round, I would let you sound your buzzers out one more time. Where we are continuing from. Is that okay? Is that okay? Thank you very much. BELHAVEN Montessori School, you have 29 points. New World School, you have 20 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, you have 23 points. The preamble to round 4. We have a substitution for New World School. We have Bevelyn substituting Caleb. Bevelyn, come up stage. Well done, Caleb. My dear, I would want you to introduce yourself and tell me your favorite color and what you like to do.
My name is Bevelyn Intibuaben. My favorite color is green. I like reading.
That's great. I know someone too who likes green. All right. So Bevelyn, welcome. Settle in and we continue with the contest. I believe you are poised to win this round in this contest, just like how everybody is poised. Enjoy the competition. Round 4, this round is called Decoding the Clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, it attracts 6 points. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, you get 4 points. On the fourth or any other, you get 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering will disqualify you from that question and nullify your answer even if it is right. Are we ready to decode the clues? You see the way my monitor is right in front of me. I want to make sure I get the first to press the buzzer. For your first set of clues, in the world of computing, I am known for my persistence and reliability. I provide essential instructions for hardware initialization during the boot up process. Star Holly?
I have the basic input and output system.
Incorrect. Devices like smartphones and gaming consoles rely on me to store their operating systems. I am a type of non-volatile memory in electronic devices. In earlier years, I was used to store the BIOS in personal computers. Who am I? New World?
Read-only memory.
That is correct. New World got it correct on the last clue. Second set of clues. Please be quiet. I am the grand stage where all events take place. I am not in a steady state, but rather expanding at an accelerated rate. My observable part is just a fraction of my total size. I am thought to have originated from a singular point. New world?
The universe.
The universe. Correct. The third set of clues. set of clues. I am a family of plants whose members are known for their health benefits. I am diverse, including both annual and perennial plants in my family. My seeds are often used in cuisines worldwide for their nutritional value. As a dietary source, I am valued for my fiber and mineral content, as well as protein. I am a plant group essential in sustainable agricultural practices. Who am I? Well, school?
Leguminous crops.
Legumes. Your fourth set of clues. Listen carefully to your fourth set of clues. I embody the beauty of chemistry and physics, often forming fascinated shapes. My clarity and color can vary depending on the impurities present during my formation. You can find me in caves, underground, or even star-holy.
Rocks.
Incorrect. You can find me in caves, underground, or even in your kitchen as salt. New world.
Minerals.
Incorrect. I can be found in various forms, from snowflakes to gemstones. Some people believe I have healing properties, although this is not scientifically proven. We still have one school to try. BELHAVEN.
Crystals.
Crystal, correct. So soon we've come to the end of round 4, and the scores will be brought to you shortly. Congratulations to all schools. This has been a long contest, and you have done really well.
I don't go. Charlie, you know the way to go pick way. Oh. Why you they pick my call? Charlie, what's up? See, from the time we from Jane come, I order two. I west side. How is that possible? Charlie, I don't know. Charlie, the rain safe. Charlie, don't have vex. I don't call the guys say no they pick.
I ordered pizza from your people yesterday. I told them I didn't want pork, and they added pork to my pizza.
Yeah, no discount at all. Not even 5% discount. What's up?
I'll go feel whether you like 1 hour days. The two never come.
Where you get the number from?
Charlie, it be some 054 number. I think I'm for Google.
Oh, Charlie, you make them scam me. This one here, them scam me.
This and many more are the reasons I want to introduce to you a solution, an app for all your Pizza Man Chicken Man needs. We build this with you in mind. Order your food, track your order in real time, secure payment method, and instant point on every purchase that you make. In fact, you can accumulate this point and use it as discount for your subsequent orders. And trust me, all the orders that you make, we take into detail all your allergies so that you didn't have any complication with your product. Now, pick your phones. Open either App Store or Play Store.
At the end of round 4, we have BELHAVEN Montessori School, having 3 points. New World School, 9 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 0. So the total for BELHAVEN Montessori School after 4 rounds is 32 points. Total points for New World School at the end of the 4th round, 29 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, at the end of the 4th round, your total points still remain as 23. Congratulations, well done. All is not lost. We still have another competitive round. We have some substitutions for round 5. BELHAVEN, Samira comes in for Aziza. Samira, please come on stage. And Takma comes in for Jeffrey. Well done, Jeffrey and Aziza. You are winners. New World School. Substitution for New World School. Gordia substitutes Ivan. Ivan, well done. You are a winner. For Star Holy Kingdom Academy, we have Aaron substituting Eric. Aaron substituting Eric. Eric, thank you for spending time with us. Well done. You are a winner. BELHAVEN substitutes, we want you to introduce yourselves. I'll ask you for your favorite color later because time is far gone.
Ibrahim Samira Katari.
Samira.
Abdul Karim Rajal Tahma.
Takma. New World School. New World School.
Then Figodia.
Star Holy Kingdom Academy.
Aaron Alonu.
Aaron, you're welcome. Before I read out the rules for round 5, I would want you to test your buzzers. BELHAVEN Montessori School, New World School, Star Holy Academy, all right, Star Holy Kingdom Academy. In round 5, there will be 3 sets of questions in. Each set has a main question and 2 sub-questions. Schools will have to compete for the question, the main question. The school that would ring the buzzer first will be called out and will be allowed to answer the first question. If the school answers a question correctly, they have the right to answer subsequent questions. The main question will be passed on for 4 marks if incorrectly answered by the school that sounds out the buzzer first. Sub-questions in a set will be passed on as bonus if incorrectly answered. Bonus questions will be competed for also by pressing the buzzer. 3 points will be awarded for answering the main question correctly, and 1 point each for the sub-questions. When any of the competing schools is not able to answer a question, the question now ends. Are you clear with the instructions? So we can start with our round. Question 1. Identify this chemistry BELHAVEN.
Benjamin List.
Benjamin List. That is correct. So BELHAVEN has the opportunity to answer the next sub-question. BELHAVEN, your sub-question. Can we have some quiet? In which year did he win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry?
2021.
That is correct. So BELHAVEN, you still have an opportunity to answer the next and the last sub-question in this set. Not until I have total silence, we pause the contest. You have the desk for your grievances. Please kindly channel them there. BELHAVEN, are you ready for the sub-question? What was the prize motivation for his award?
For his development of asymmetric organocatalysis.
That is correct. For the development of asymmetric organocatalysis. The competition is still open for question 2 and its set of questions. What was the discovery for which Francois Barré BELHAVEN?
For her discovery of human immunodeficiency virus.
That is correct. You have earned the right to answer the sub-question. In which year did she receive this award?
2008.
That is correct. 2008. What is her nationality?
She's from France.
That is correct. She is French from France. Our third set of questions. Chipped pulse amplification has many uses, including corrective eye surgeries. Name the female laureate. New World School.
Donna Strickland.
Donna Strickland. Marie Curie Donna Strickland. New World, you have the opportunity to answer the sub-question that is coming up. When was this discovery awarded a Nobel Prize in Physics?
2018.
That is correct, 2018. What was the prize share of Donna Strickland?
1 out of 4.
1 out of 4. That is correct for.
There's no laureate like Marie.
So round 5 is made up of 3 sets of questions, and we come to the end of round 5. Your scores will be brought to you shortly. Congratulations, BELHAVEN Montessori School. Congratulations, New World School. Congratulations, Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Well-heated contests, but whatever has a beginning must end. So we end this 3rd contest on the first day of JSMQ 2013 in a grand style. We first acknowledge our partners, College of Science, KNUST, Ghana Education Service, DEX Technologies, and ERIDEC Ghana. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. KNUST e-learning for all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. Your venues provided are well appreciated. DEXT Technologies. At DEXT Technologies, we say, practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality. And you always make it very exciting and hands-on. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited. A heartfelt thank you for all our prizes this year. Your generous contributions have been a cornerstone of our success. At Multi-Credit, where customer satisfaction is our priority, your commitment shines through every aspect of your service. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, thanks for the wonderful meal packages. Your dedication to providing delightful culinary experience is evident. At Pizza Man, Chicken Man, where great food lives, every bite tells a story of quality and excellence. Fonjo Images, thank you for providing beautifully captured and well-framed photographs for our top 3 contestants. At Fonjo Images, we keep your memories alive. Our media partners, Kesben TV, thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcasts and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and our impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. So now we go for our results at the end of 5 hectic, nerve-wracking rounds in this context. Are you ready for your results? Are you ready for your results? All right. So in ascending order, Star Holy Kingdom Academy, you have 23 points. I expect you clap for them. It is not easy sitting in that seat. New World School, 34 points. BELHAVEN Montessori School, 42 points. So at the end of the third contest, with the authority as the quiz moderator, I announce the winner for the third contest. The winner for the third contest is BELHAVEN Montessori School. Give them a round of applause. Well done, BELHAVEN Montessori School. Well done, New World School. Congratulations, Star Holy Kingdom Academy. I tell you all that you are winners. And to me, we have great, knowledgeable future leaders coming up. And on behalf of our VC, we would gladly welcome you in the next couple of years to be part of the KNUST family. Feel good about yourself, be encouraged, and know that this is a stepping stone to higher things in life. I envy your positions. I cannot do what you did. If I'm put on the spot, I bet I might not even get 1 mark. So congratulations to all 3 schools. And in the absence of the MC, I will take the job of the MC as I did.
The number you called has not answered.
I don't go. Charlie, you know the way to go pick way. Oh.
The number you called has not answered.
You know they pick my call.
Charlie, what's up?
See, from the time we from Jane come, I order 2. I wear side.
How is that possible?
Charlie, I don't know.
Charlie, they rain safe.
Charlie, don't have vex. I don't call the guys if no they pick.
I ordered pizza from your people yesterday. I told them I didn't want pork. And they added pork to my pizza.
Prepare, no discount at all. Not even 5% discount. What's up?
I'll go feel whether you like 1 hour days. The two never they come.
Where you get the number from?
Charlie, it be some 054 number, bro. I think I'm for Google.
Oh, Charlie, you make them scam me. This one here, them scam me.
This and many more are the reasons I want to introduce to you a solution, an app for all your Pizza Man Chicken Man needs. We build this with you in mind. Order your food, track your order in real time, secure payment method, and instant point on every purchase that you make. In fact, you can accumulate these points and use it as discount for your subsequent orders. And trust me, all the orders that you make, we take into detail all your allergies so that you didn't have any complication with your product. Now, pick your phones. Open either App Store or Play Store. Search Chris B. Download it. I can't wait to serve you through your phones. Anytime.